Hello, this is Geeta Singh, TGT Mathematics from Kendriya Vidyalaya Raigad. Today we will discuss about National Education Policy, online and digital education, ensuring equitable use of technology. It is our dream of Prime Minister PM Modi. The present scenario of COVID-19 taught us the importance of digital learning platform. It warns us that we have to think about the alternatives of the school education as well as higher education beyond the classroom. Online classes and as well as digital classroom should be provided to the student in this situation. New Education Policy 2020 recognizes the merits of the online and digital learning. It enhances the education access to disadvantaged groups, including Divyang or children living in far distance from the school. Important points and tools for ensuring digital learning. First, Digital India campaign trained teachers in ICT availability of learning devices to each and every student. Awareness campaign about digital learning for parents, suitable assessment criteria. Proposed reforms for online learning. Pilot studies for online education will be conducted. Teachers will be trained for online training. Digital gap will be bridged. Robust digital infrastructure will be set up. E-learning platform like Swayam, Diksha, etc. will be extended. National Education Technology Forum should be set up. More virtual lab will be set up. Finance assistance to the disadvantaged by way of scholarship. Keeping in view of the present scenario, the policy proposes to encourage online learning by providing a proper digital infrastructure and bridging the extent digital gap. The policy proposes to set up more virtual labs and equip schools digitally. Besides these, it aims at increasing the access of education for disadvantaged groups and recommends the use of Divyang friendly education software. It also recommends pilot studies for online education, encourages the use of e-learning platforms such as Swayam, Diksha, etc. Under it, teachers will undergo training to use online platforms which will help them in improving skills and creating contents. It proposes to set up a National Education Technology Forum, a platform for exchange of ideas on the use of technology to enhance learning. It also envisages a blended mode of learning, but face-to-face learning will not be ignored. Proper online assessment mechanism will be developed. Thank you.